This is one of the laziest and easiest ways to make money online. Now, here's some proof that this method is working and people are getting paid every single day. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of payments, and this is just one day. Now, in this video, I'm literally gonna show you step by step how you can start making money online using this lazy method. And even better, this method is 100% free to get started. You don't need any websites. And I'm gonna show you the free tool that you need to get started. So if you've been looking for a way to make money online and you have no idea where to get started, this tutorial is gonna be the one for you. And if you're interested in making money online and leaving your 9-to-5 job, this channel is for you. I was able to leave my job back in March of 2020, starting an online business. And I come out with tutorials like this on how to make money online every single day. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into this tutorial on how to make money online the lazy way. All right, everyone. So if we go to YouTube, there are literally millions of videos and billions of views happening every single year. So what we can do is we can start making money from these exact videos using a free tool and website that I'm about to show you. Now, the cool thing is YouTube is growing every single day and there's more and more users watching YouTube videos. And I'm going to show you how we can take other people's videos and start making money with this process. All right, so step number one is you're gonna wanna go to a website called shrinkme.io. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly how this website works, but first I wanna show you the payment proofs from this website. And as you can see, this is just today and yesterday, and already hundreds and hundreds of payments are being paid out to these users. Now, these payments are going straight to their PayPal account, their AirTM, their Payeer, all these payment accounts. Now, the cool thing is if we go to payout rates, this is how much you can potentially make depending on which country you're from. So as you can see, Greenland has the highest paid, then it's Ireland, United States, Belgium, United Kingdom, and then it even tells you the type of payment methods that they'll pay out. They'll pay Bitcoin, PayPal, Payeer, web money, all that good stuff. And the minimum payment for this is only $5. So you don't have to get like a $100 threshold or something like that. You could literally start this business with a very, very minimum payout. Now, before I show you exactly how to start making money online with this process, you have to go and sign up for shrinkme.io. So you want to go and register an account here at the top right, and then you're going to want to enter your information and register a new account. All right, so once you've created an account, this is the dashboard that you're gonna see. Now, it's very easy to go and withdraw your money here. You can tell them exactly how you wanna get withdrawn, whether it's PayPal, Airtable, or even a bank account. What I wanna show you is how we can start making money with this method. So I'm gonna come back to this website in just a second, but what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to youtube.com. And with this method, the way you're able to make money is by searching for trendy topics. So if we go to Google Trends, you'll notice that the term ChatGPT is extremely trendy. There's a ton of people making videos on this, and a lot of people are watching these types of videos. So you're gonna wanna go to YouTube and type in ChatGPT. Now, as you can see here, there's gonna be hundreds and hundreds of videos for this specific keyword. Now, what you wanna do is go find a video that has a ton of views. So right here, ChatGPT tutorial. Right here, this is actually a friend of mine, Thomas Garrett's ChatGPT, how to make money. Here's my video right here, how to make money using ChatGPT. But there's a ton of videos. You're gonna wanna go and choose one with a lot of views. So let's see here. We'll go with this one right here, ChatGPT tutorial. So I'm gonna click on this video. And what you wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to the share and then copy this link. Okay, so this is gonna get the link for this specific video. Now we're back to the shrinkme.io. You're gonna wanna go to new shorten link and you're gonna add the link right here. This is the YouTube link. You're gonna go to shorten. Now this is gonna give you a specific link that goes to that YouTube video. As you can see, this is a link that's gonna go specifically to that video that you chose. So now that you have this link, you're gonna wanna go and copy it. And the goal here is to get people to this link. That way you can get paid. So the goal is the more people you get to click on this link, the more you're gonna get paid. Now the question is, where do you get people to click on this link? Now remember where we got this video from, right? We got this video from this trendy topic about ChatGPT. and how to use it, right? So one of the easiest places that you can go to is a place called Quora.com. This is basically a place where people go and ask questions on how to do certain things. So for example, if we go over here and someone types in, how does ChatGPT work? Well, there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of questions in here that you can go and answer, right? So how does ChatGPT work? I could click on something like this and I could go answer it, right? So I go answer this question and give him an answer on how this works, right? So basically what I can do is just write a very simple answer with a link to that tutorial. Now I actually went ahead and went to ChatGPT to ask it, how does ChatGPT work? So I'm actually using the software or using the OpenAI software to ask a question on how it works. So if you haven't seen any of my videos on how to make money or how ChatGPT works, make sure to go check those out because I show you exactly in detail how you can make money with this tool. But anyways, I went ahead and asked this AI robot, how does it work? And it gave me an answer, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. And if I go to Quora, I could go ahead and answer that question for this gentleman here. Okay, so the cool thing is I have this, and then what I can say is I also found this amazing tutorial as well. Okay, and then we could lead them back to this YouTube video. So remember, we went ahead and created this shrink me link here, so we can go back to Quora and add this in here. Okay, so now we have a link that goes exactly to this YouTube video. Now again, we're not going directly to the YouTube video, we're going to the shrink me link, which then gets you paid. The more clicks you get, the more money you're gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna copy this so that way we can possibly use this in another question. So we're gonna submit that. And now the goal is just to answer multiple questions within Quora. And as you can see, there's literally hundreds and hundreds of people asking questions, okay? The cool thing is that you wanna go and find a thread that has hundreds and hundreds of people commenting and asking questions, right? So we can go a little bit more narrow and just type in ChatGPT and see what people are talking about, see what people are doing. And for example, we can see what's more popular. So this right here has 831 upvotes, lots of comments. So we can go over there and, go and answer people's questions and then add links to that Shrink Me app, okay? This link right here, the shrinkme.io app, because remember, the more clicks we get on here, the more money you're gonna make. And again, we're not taking anything away from the YouTube creator itself. We're actually helping the YouTube creator get more people to that YouTube video. Now, the cool thing about this method is you can do this over and over again using multiple trendy videos. It doesn't just have to be that ChatGPT keyword. It can be in gaming, in cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter. All we're doing is finding a trendy topic, and then we're utilizing the top videos and getting people to those videos using Quora. So if you found any value in this video, leave me a comment down below. And also, if you're interested in leaving your 9-to-5 and achieving financial freedom, I want to show you exactly how I was able to leave my job within 9 months of starting my online business. Not only that, I've been a mentor and coach to over 35,000 people on their path to leaving their 9-to-5 job. And I want to show you exactly how to get started using my 5-second video silent method. And I'll leave a link to that training down below. It's a completely free training showing you exactly how to start a business from complete scratch, even if you're working a 9-to-5 job, even if you don't have a product. And I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to get started. That's linked down below in the YouTube description. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. And again, please subscribe because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. With that being said, thank you so much and God bless.